Everyone, here's a quick video to show you some common mistakes that I see when people are connecting wires as they run electricity. This can lead to some pretty big problems, and I also want to show you how to do it properly. But make sure to stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to show you how to do all this really simple. This is a DIY hack that makes it virtually impossible to make a mistake as you're doing this. Let's get started. All right, mistake number one that I see are people who do this with the wrong tools, and this is super important. The most important tool that I think you need is right here. This is my favorite one. This is from Klein tools. This right here is a non-contact voltage detector. What it does, you turn it on and you bring it close to the wires. And if that turns red, that means that wire's hot and you better not touch it. This tool right here can easily save your life. I do not recommend any work on electricity without this right here. You also are going to need a good multi-tool. This thing right here is great for stripping wire, cutting the wire. You need one of these. Also a pair of lineman's pliers makes this job a whole lot easier. All those tools right down here in the description. If you need one, go right there and pick it up. Let me show you another mistake that I see. And that is people twist the wires in the wrong direction. So what you have to realize is when you put a wire nut on, you're going to turn it to the right to tighten it this way. So when you twist these wires together, you need to turn them in the same direction. So we're twisting going to the right again, this way here. If we twist them the other way, which I see sometimes, when you put the wire nut on, you're just going to untwist them and you get a loose connection. So to show you what you do, we're going to twist these to the right. Now, when we put our wire nut on, we twist them to the right as well. And that gives us a much stronger connection. Another mistake that I commonly see are people use the wrong wire nut. These wire nuts come in different sizes, and it's really important that you know what size you need. And these are sized for what size wire is going to go in them, as well as how many wires are going to go in them. I see this often. So like we have these two neutral wires here that are going to go together, but we also want to add in another wire, even another wire, 4 different wires going into the same one. And that is okay. You can do that, and sometimes you have to do that. But if you're going to do that, you have to make sure that you have the right sized wire nut to handle the job. If you try to put all 4 of those wires into this, you're going to have a terrible connection. Some of them are going to fall out. It's not going to work. You have to have the right size wire nut. All right, you made it to the end. It's time for your DIY hack. This is going to make this whole process so much easier, and you're much less likely to make a mistake that's going to cause problems. What we do is we get rid of these and just take them and throw them to the side because you don't even need them. Let me introduce to you the easiest way to put these wires together, and that is with our push to connects. These are super simple. As long as we follow the instructions from the manufacturer, these things work perfectly, and they are much easier to use for us DIYers. Let's jump into this. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have the proper size. You can see this is good for my 12 gauge right here. Next, it tells me to make sure that I have a 1/2 inch of wire exposed to the insulation. And now we're all set up. All we need to do to connect these wires, say we're going to connect our neutrals here, is to take it, seat it like that, and just push straight in. There's 3 holes down here on the bottom. Push it straight in, and you'll see the wire come through here. And it's locked in place. It's not going anywhere. And do the same thing with the other one. Just like this. Push it straight through. And this connection is not going anywhere. It is completely safe. And I do the same things here to my live wires and my ground wires, and this will be perfectly connected. These push to connect come in a whole different sizes. Like this one here is for 3 wires. You can get them with just 2 wires. This one goes up to 4 wires inside of it. You got to check these out. It makes it so much easier to connect your wires. Again, check them out in the link below. I got you covered. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.